Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special for all the home chefs out there. We're going to dive deep into the Cuisinart 12-piece kitchen knife set, which is not just any knife set but is hailed as the best for cutting vegetables in the market. Stick around to find out why. Let's start with an overview of the Cuisinart 12-piece kitchen knife set. This set is a part of the Advantage Color Collection and comes with a variety of knives, all featuring high-quality stainless steel blades. You get an 8-chef knife, perfect for mincing and slicing vegetables. There's also a 7 santoku knife, an excellent multi-purpose knife for dicing and mincing tasks. An 8 serrated bread knife for those crusty loaves. And a 6.5 utility knife and 3.5 paring knife for more specialized cutting. Now, let's dive into the key features that make the Cuisinart kitchen knife set stand out from the competition. These knives come with a ceramic coating that makes slicing a breeze. Whether it's slicing through ripe tomatoes or delicate herbs, the non-stick surface ensures precision and ease in your food preparation. One unique feature of this set is the color coding. Each knife has a distinct color, making it easy to avoid cross-contamination during food prep. This is not only practical but also adds a fun and vibrant touch to your kitchen. The knives in this set feature high-quality stainless steel blades that stay sharp longer. You can trust these blades to handle various cutting tasks with ease. For your safety and the longevity of the knives, each one comes with a matching blade guard. This ensures that your knives remain in top-notch condition, and you can store them safely. So, there you have it, folks. The Cuisinart 12-piece kitchen knife set is a top-notch choice for anyone looking for the best knives for cutting vegetables. With its ceramic coating, color coding for safety, and high-quality stainless steel blades, it's no wonder it's an Amazon's choice product. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game and add a splash of color to your cooking routine, be sure to check out this fantastic knife set. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews, and click the link in the description to get your own Cuisinart 12-piece kitchen knife set today. Happy cooking, and until next time, stay sharp.